Hello everybody, welcome back. In my new video, the topic is cell structure. Myself, Dr. C.R. Kasa, Department of Zoology, SPM Science and Gilani Art Commerce College, Ghatanji, District Yotma. So, it is time for lockdown, stay safe, stay home, and India's fight Corona. Now, we have to start our new lecture series. Topic is cell structure. Now, starting by cell, I have to arise some questions. Starting by cell. Cell is the structural and functional unit of organism or life. The cell are formed from the pre-existing one, and cell have a capacity to divide itself uh, by the cell division, mitosis, and meiosis. So, what is the cell? Where do we find cell? Cell is a basic unit of structure and function of life. In another word, cell make up living things and carry out activity that keep living things alive. Now, different types of the cell organelle which is found in the cell: mitochondria, lysosome, ribosome, endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi complex, etc. So, these are the organelles which is present inside the cell. Cytoplasm lie between the cell membrane and nucleus and contain the organelles. Cytosol is the gelatin-like aqueous fluid that contain a salt, minerals and organic molecules. So first of all, we have to understand uh, important cell organelles. It is also called as the powerhouse of the cell, that is the mitochondria. Mitochondria, site of chemical reaction that transfer energy from organic component to ATP. ATP means energy source for cell. Cells with high energy require that a more mitochondria, examples muscles and liver cell, have two membranes. Smooth outer membrane serves as a boundary between the mitochondria and the cytosol. Inner membrane has a manifold called as city. They enlarge the surface area for more chemical reaction, and mitochondria have their own DNA. Another important cell organelle, that is the ribosome. It is most in numbers, not surrounded by the membrane, made up of a protein and RNAs. In ribosomes, RNA is packaged into the ribosomal, then transported to the cytosol. Some ribosomes are free, some are attached to the endoplasmic reticulum. Protein synthesis produced in the ribosomes. Proteins to be used in the cytosol, that is the free ribosomes. Protein to be exported or inserted in the cell membrane, ribosomes on the endoplasmic reticulum. And another important cell organelle, that is the nucleus. Most prominent structure maintain its shape with a protein skeleton called as the nuclear matrix, double membrane, nuclear envelope. Inside the envelope, chromatin, DNA and proteins is there. When the cell is about to divide to form the chromosome, sterols hereditary information in its DNA. It stores hereditary information in the its DNA. RNA travels from nucleus to the cytosol through the small hole in the envelope nuclear pore. Contain the nucleolus, the site where ribosomes are synthesized. Another cell organelle, lysosome. It is a small spherical organism enclose hydrolytic enzymes within a single membrane, digest protein, carbohydrate, lipid, DNA and RNA, digest all organisms, bacteria, viruses, rare in the plant cell. Thank you very much. Now, the next organisms will be discussed on the next video. Thank you.